The formation of fingerprints in the womb. Human fingerprints are formed during fetal development, specifically between the 10th and 16th weeks of pregnancy. At this stage, the skin on the fingertips starts to develop complex patterns of ridges and valleys. These patterns are influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. Genetic factors influencing fingerprint patterns. Genetics play a significant role in determining the overall shape and design of an individual's fingerprints. However, no two people have identical fingerprints, even among identical twins. The genetic instructions set the foundation, but the exact details are influenced by random factors during development. The role of dermal papillae in fingerprint formation. The ridges and valleys that make up fingerprints are formed by dermal papillae, which are layers of cells between the epidermis and dermis. These papillae help create the distinct lines on the surface of the skin, which become fingerprints as the skin matures. How external factors affect fingerprint development. Environmental factors, such as pressure, position, and movement of the fetus in the womb, influence the unique characteristics of each fingerprint. While genetic factors provide the blueprint, these external variables can cause slight variations, ensuring that each fingerprint pattern is unique. The development of different types of patterns. There are three main types of fingerprint patterns: loops, whorls, and arches. The specific arrangement of the dermal papillae determines which pattern will develop on each finger. These patterns are random, but once formed, they remain consistent throughout a person's life. Why fingerprints are unique to individuals. The uniqueness of fingerprints arises from the complex interplay of genetics and environmental factors during development. Even small differences in pressure or movement can result in distinctive patterns. As a result, no two people have the same fingerprint, not even identical twins. Fingerprint patterns and their longevity. Fingerprints remain unchanged throughout a person's life. Although the skin may wrinkle or age, the fundamental ridge patterns do not alter. Even if the skin is damaged, the underlying dermal layer regenerates the same fingerprint pattern, ensuring its permanence. The role of fingerprints in identity verification. Fingerprints are widely used in identity verification because of their uniqueness and permanence. Law enforcement agencies and security systems use fingerprint recognition technology, making them a reliable method for confirming personal identity and tracking individuals. The evolutionary purpose of fingerprints. From an evolutionary standpoint, fingerprints may have developed to improve grip and tactile sensitivity. The ridges and grooves enhance the friction between the fingers and objects, aiding in the ability to hold onto items more effectively, which would have been beneficial for early humans. Fingerprints and their forensic significance. Forensic science relies heavily on fingerprint analysis to solve crimes. Because fingerprints are unique and do not change over time, they serve as an invaluable tool for identifying suspects or verifying individuals involved in criminal investigations.